Hey guys, today's review's on the large enclosed cat litter box. It helps with pets' odor control. What is awesome about this cat litter box is that it comes with a two-way swinging door that helps prevent litter from scattering outside the box, and it also includes a Zeolite air filter. One of the things that I like about this litter box is the high polish finish, which makes it easy to clean and it's resistant to stains and odors. I find that it's super easy to use, super easy to clean, and it keeps the litter inside. For myself, I don't use the actual two-way door because my cats aren't a big fan of it. But overall, it still functions well, and here it is. Overall, I definitely rate this a 5 out of 5.
But I'm gonna give an honest review. A lot of people are having problems. The venting part is kind of annoying because like it's not locked in. It kind of just slides in. Sometimes the locks will be stronger than other locks on there. Either way, people are putting it on backwards. So make sure you try putting it on both ways if you do get this item, or else it won't swing correctly. And make sure you put on the door right also. So, as you can see, my cat is in here. She's about 10 months old, and there's cat litter in there and everything already, as you can see. And even with all that weight, you can still pick it up off the ground. This thing is actually really sturdy. I rate this 8.5.
Okay, so I have it in the corner here. So I said in my review, first I messed up the door, but now it swings. So the front is going to be thinner than the back, and that's how you make sure the back is thicker, this part, than the front. Also, these come up pretty easily. But once you snap them in, like, it's okay. Like, you can lift it like that, but if you hit them, they will come up. But we all know how much we paid for this. Come on. So there fits. It's pretty deep. I haven't put any litter in quite yet, but so far, so good.
Just like everyone else has complained, I have the same complaint. These locks don't like to stay locked. Come off easy. So imagine if you're carrying this around with litter and poop. The bottom half is just going to fall down and it's going to go everywhere. Here's one I purchased in store with locks that actually work. Look at that. It's tough to unlock, so you know it's actually secure, unlike those.
already clasped the other side. Try to pick it up. It's not clasped.